In this short episode, we show you how to very easily build a seat for a chair that can match many different styles of chairs. So somehow our video for doing the seat was not captured on Sunday, so we're building another chair, as you can possibly see. So we want to show you that lost footage. And what we did is we took one of the pieces of 2x4 that we had left, and it is already removed the round over, right? We already removed the round over, and we simply cut it in half. This is called ripping, right?
Right.
So by doing that, we ended up with plenty of. So in other words, we took this board and we made this board.
Right.
Two
We
of these boards.
ripped it right in half on the blade. We did it, obviously, the blade doesn't come up as high as that board is. So we put it up 3/4 of the way, and then we flipped the board over to do the other side.
And here we are. We have all the slots we need, right?
Yep.
All right, and now we're going to show you how we put them on the chair. So with all our pieces cut, we are going to put them on the chair, and that will become the seat area, and that's the one we forgot to. Well, we forgot. I was pretty sure we recorded it, but somehow it didn't show, right?
Right.
And again, we're going to use a story stick to make sure our distances are correct.
Yep, that they're evenly spaced. And we have the back and the front, which are going to align with the back and the front of the arms.
Right.
So.
Is that
let me
that
get my
one?
story
Which
stick.
one?
No, they were little pieces.
Okay. So we're using our Ryobi black nailer. There is no strength needed here, just to keep them in place, right?
Right. And so we got our story sticks here. Want to line it up with the edges here and then put it in place.
And by doing it that way, that will allow us, if we ever need to replace one or something, it will be much easier, right? It is not all the way goes downwards. So brads are plenty strong for this application.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to finish it. It's a rinse and repeat process, right?
Yep.